Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can fix blurry graphics on your AOC monitor. So this should change your gameplay, because if your gameplay looks like with the motion blur or just blurry, it's just an override settings. So how you can change that is basically by going to your bottom right corner, and right here you'll find turn off button, the menu button, the two arrows to use to navigate through the menu, and exit button. So let's open the menu, and you'll need to find with the arrows using and find game setting, as you can see, like this. And then what you'll need to do is enter on the menu button to enter the game setting, and use your arrows to go to overdrive mode. And right here click on the menu button and make sure it is on off or just weak. I like to use medium because I like those graphics to look like a bit blurry, but you can fix that by just turning it off. So basically, to confirm it, you will need to press again on the menu button and then double time on exit button to exit the menu. And that's pretty much it. That should fix your blurry graphics when moving on AOC monitor. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.